Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. Unsure how or what to cook with your Instant Pot? Or are you just in a cooking rut? I get that way, and I am so pleased with this step-by-step Instant Pot cookbook by Jeffrey Eisner. I love the pictures. It's simple and easy to follow the steps, and it makes me feel like I can actually make these recipes. He even includes a pantry list. There are instructions even for how to use the Instant Pot. And the recipes are for soups and pastas, meats, even desserts, like yummy peanut butter fudge cookie dough tart. I especially love that he lists the time that each recipe takes, and it's practical. It begins with prep time. He even tells you how much time for pressure building and all the way down to the release time. This step-by-step Instant Pot cookbook by Jeffrey Eisner makes trying new recipes fun and easy. And that's my point of view.